bloop is real. If you hear this sound in the ocean, you probably shouldn't swim there. But scientists say this sound is likely from a melting ice glacier. Something amazing happened in the Pacific Ocean in 2018 that grabbed everyone's attention. A marine biologist tagged a 10-foot great white shark to track its depth and the water temperature. Everything was normal for a few days as the shark dove deeper. Suddenly, the shark was pulled down to 2,300 feet. And both the tag and the shark stopped moving. Some think it was an orca, but that's not likely. The tag recorded a temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit inside the shark's stomach, which is different from what orcas like. So what could be big enough to eat a 10-foot great white shark? A bloop?